Is Windows failing to load because of the Windows Storage Module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Quickly resolve Windows Storage Module inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Windows Storage Module, a localized naming convention used by several non-standard wrappers or game mods to store custom file access hooks. It often intercepts storage calls to apply visual enhancements or redirect save paths. If missing, modded versions of games will revert to vanilla or crash during the save data handshake. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since Windows Storage Module DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Windows Storage Module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online/cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Windows Storage Module DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to Windows Storage Module management. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Windows Storage Module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.